Ducati was shocked after Marc Marquez decided not to return for the remainder of the 2025 season, including skipping the Valencia test. Before that, don't forget to click like and subscribe, and here's the full news. Ducati's star rider Marc Marquez has officially informed everyone, including his Ducati course team, that he will not be continuing the 2025 season. He has chosen to finish the season focused on recovery and will not return, even at the upcoming Valencia test. Ducati course general manager Gigi Dalligna stated that his team fully supports Marc Marquez's decision to miss the rest of the 2025 MotoGP season. This decision was made to ensure optimal recovery for Marquez's injured right shoulder. After securing the world title at the Japanese Grand Prix, Marquez was hit by Marco Bezzecchi in the main race of the Indonesian Grand Prix on October 5, 2025. Marquez was diagnosed with a fractured coracoid process and ligament damage in his right shoulder. Initially, the medical team initiated conservative treatment, including complete rest and immobilization. However, after 7 days of observation, this proved to have no significant impact. As a result, to avoid further risks, surgery was performed on October 12, 2025. Last Thursday, Marquez underwent another medical examination at Ruber International Hospital in Madrid, Spain. His medical team confirmed that he would be out of action until the end of the season and would not be able to participate in the post-season testing in Valencia, Spain, on November 18, 2025. From the moment we learned of the injury diagnosis, we realized that Marc's chances of competing in Valencia, either for the race or the test, were very slim. This is unfortunate because his presence on track is very important for us, but we fully understand that the top priority is his recovery and his return to 100% condition for next season, said Gigi Dalligna in an official Ducati Lenovo team release. The medical team monitoring the 9-time world champion's recovery confirmed that the clinical progress of the coracoid fracture and ligament injury is positive and on track. However, Marquez must spend 4 weeks with his arm completely immobilized before beginning rehabilitation, making it impossible for him to compete in the remaining rounds of the season, namely Malaysia, Portugal, and Valencia. We fully support this decision and believe that avoiding further risks is the best option for all parties. We wish him a speedy recovery and hope to see him back with us soon, concluded Ducati boss Gigi Dalligna.